Email verification failed on Lightspeed Fix. If your email verification isn't working on Lightspeed, don't panic. The surprising truth is that most verification issues aren't caused by Lightspeed itself. They are usually due to small email browser or device issues. Start by checking your email address for typos, missing characters, or extra spaces. Even the tiniest mistake can stop the verification email from being delivered. Next, check every folder in your inbox, including spam, junk promotions, and any custom folders you may have set up. Automated emails from Lightspeed are sometimes filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo. Once you locate the email, click the verification link immediately, since these links often expire within a short period. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link through the Lightspeed website. This usually resolves the problem for most users. Sometimes browser or device issues prevent the email from being delivered correctly. Clear your browser cache, switch to another browser, or use the Lightspeed mobile app to improve the chances of successful verification. If your email provider blocks automated messages, try registering with a different email address. Gmail or Outlook accounts generally work best for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Lightspeed support. Explain the problem and the steps you've tried. Support can manually verify your account, giving you access without further delay. Remember, verify your email accuracy, check all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Doing this usually solves email verification issues quickly, letting you start trading on Lightspeed without frustration.